The great cleanup continues. So this time, I took this little small parts thing, and I haven't looked in here for years. So this is pretty fun. It's a game of, did I keep it or chuck it? This, chuck it. Okay, next one. Yup. Yup, what about this one? Ooh, chuck it. Oh, quarter inch bolts? Yeah, you gotta keep those. These things, chuck them. Those things, chuck them. These guys, oh yeah, bye. Bye. These guys, keep them. Yeah, we'll give you those. We'll keep those. Oh yeah, chuck them. Ooh, vintage briefcase parts. Keep those. Look at those, chuck them. Get rid of them. Oh, okay, what's next? Oh, those screws, gotta keep those. Chuck them. Okay, what's left? Washer's gone. And that's it.